This is a fit for a 2012 through 2019 Toyota Yaris 3-door. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Yakima BaseLine CoreBar roof rack system. The system is using the CoreBars, 50 inches in length, the BaseLine Towers, and the vehicle-specific BaseLine pad and clip set on both the front and rear position. It is the BC118. The crossbars are in a predetermined location at 18 inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.